Thank you. This is Gary, and he's my best friend. Gary helps me stay fashionable because he shows me how to put outfits together. He doesn't move around that well, but that's never stopped us from being best buds. We do everything together, and we go everywhere together. And I mean everywhere. Everywhere except online. And this created a huge problem for me. See, when I graduated college, I was transitioning into the dreaded adult world, where I was expected to dress well, but I didn't have time to go shopping with Gary anymore. So I did what anyone would do in my situation. I started shopping online. But Gary just wasn't there. And it was terrible. Every time I'd be online shopping, I'd get these irrelevant recommendations because they were based on what other people bought. Or even worse, similar items. For instance, usually if I added a pair of jeans to my cart, Gary would step in and save me some time by showing me other items that went well with these jeans, as if I was building an actual outfit. But Gary's ability to piece outfits together wasn't on these sites. So instead, I was being shown more jeans. I'm not going to buy more jeans. No one goes on jean sprees. Being an adult was tough, especially without Gary. By the way, if you haven't got it yet, Gary's a metaphor for the power of showing complementary inventory items in context so that as a business you can sell more. Similar to how mannequins show an entire outfit. All right, let's continue. Now, without Gary, online shopping is less intelligent, which in turn creates a huge pain for me as a customer on these retail sites. And as we all know, any pain for a consumer equals a much bigger problem for a retailer. How big a problem? Well, according to studies, recommendations like Gary's can be responsible for up to 30% of added revenue for a business. And for a market that sold $80 billion online last year, that's a lot of money being left on the table. What's really crazy is there are many other verticals that can benefit from Gary's smart, contextualized recommendations as well on their own platforms. So collectively, there's a lot of revenue being ignored. But for the fashion industry in particular, they already know the power of Gary in stores, so why isn't he online? Well, it turns out he is, but only a little bit. The few major brands and retailers that have these Gary-like recommendations have to pay stylists to manually curate their inventory over and over again. And this just isn't affordable or scalable, especially for the smaller companies who really need the power of Gary. So right now in the industry, you're either paying a lot of cash for a stylist or you're left recommending more jeans. But it doesn't have to be that way, and that's where we come in. Fadstir is a recommendation platform that automates a stylist's ability to cross-sell a retailer's online inventory. By using our crowdsourced fashion matching data and machine learning tools, we're able to plug into a retailer's site and help their customers quickly match and shop their way to the perfect outfit. We've already gone over the financial benefits of a recommendation engine. But in addition, after interviewing over 100 retail sales professionals, we know that recommending complementary items is the best and most effective way to cross-sell your own inventory. And we make it easy by taking the countless hours that go into styling clothes and reducing them to zero. Now, to get the tech working, we needed to be crafty. So we started by pulling segmented style information from across the web and funneling it through our special black box technology. What is this black box, you ask? Well, about a year ago, we built a mobile stylist app to serve as a final layer of filtration for our data before it became actual recommendations on a retailer's site. Within the app, our fashionistas and users rate outfit recommendations, and combined with our machine learning, this gives us a really deep understanding of how every piece of an outfit pairs with each other, thus creating sets of data that no one else has. By developing this ecosystem, where relevant outfit data is exchanged between our app and online stores, we're able to make unique recommendations for our partners so that a customer can take these green jeans and actually build a stylish outfit within a single transaction. This allows businesses to cross-sell their way to bigger basket sizes. Not only does this prevent jeans on jeans recommendations, but it also leads to higher customer satisfaction and increased loyalty. This is the right way to cross-sell in the fashion space. This is Gary finally online. Now implemented as an enterprise SaaS model, Fadstir can work with players of all sizes in the industry, from your Macy's to your Nordstroms to your more targeted brands like Bonobos. So for any brand, no matter the size of inventory or customer base, Fadstir can be integrated quickly and have impact immediately. We're currently starting live pilots in several cities across the country with an emphasis on increasing basket size and customer engagement. I'm Eman, CEO and co-founder with a background in product development from companies like YouTube and Google. I graduated in engineering from Stanford with our CMO and my second best friend, Tenzin. Tenzin has his master's in psych and a background in entertainment marketing. Notably, he led the international creative advertising campaign for the new Ghostbusters movie. And our incredible CTO, Rob, whose background in computer science, artificial intelligence, and iOS development led to the early foundation of our platform. And today, I'm happy to announce that Gary will be joining us as our Chief Cross-Selling Officer. Gary's been alive for over 600 years and has unparalleled experience in the fashion retail industry. Together, we've ran the gamut of the young professional experience, and nothing pained us more than shopping online without Gary's recommendations. So we developed Fadstir, so Gary can help you when you hit that next stage in life when you're expected to put on your big boy pants and match them perfectly with that new shirt. By the way, now that Gary's online, he'd love it if you followed him on social media. Thank you.